We're going to be converting some of this fine American plywood into some Americana and experimenting with some different techniques. So let's see how it's done. It's finally not raining, even sun's coming up for a bit. So let's go ahead and brush these on real quick. There's both Kenworths put together, so I just want to do this more as a practice and a comparison. I was thinking of doing like red with black, but most of the logos show it to be red with chrome, so red with silver works pretty good. All the sides are spray painted black, and then here I actually sprayed a textured paint on it, which is kind of gray, and then I sprayed black over it, and came out really good. Hid most of the imperfections that I had, so that's the technique I kind of wanted to try, is to see if we can hide some of the, because I've been having trouble with this plywood ripping from the jigsaw pulling up slightly. So let's see if we can find this spot. So like right here especially, and so the texture hides it quite a bit, and I like how it plays in the sun. I actually don't have to brush it because now the spray paint looks pretty good and even. And then here I used the secret Russian technique, both pieces, and rubbed them against the table of mine that has a very rough kind of mat on it by now, which is equivalent about 240, 180 sandpaper. And so it created kind of like this weathered pattern look. I'm gonna bring this inside and see if we can have a better look. You can see the streaks behind the extra, I think it's extra 1, maybe 2 coats of red paint that I sprayed. So I spray 1 coat of red, then rub it on this texture over here, which is very ASMR kind of look. Dog meat. And then after that I just spray it again, and so it creates kind of this nice look. And so there are some imperfections, but I dry brush slightly so you can see there's some edges that are slightly darkened, so this way it hides some of the imperfections, and this way it gives it a little more, you know, that tough American look. And there's this guy again, so we can see this is where it kind of is looking a bit chewed up, but overall it's not bad. And once it hangs on the wall or something like that, it's fine. So nice little project. I like sometimes to do 2 of the same kind together. This way we can experiment with different looks and kind of see it side by side and decide what comes out better, what we like, and so forth. So, but I'll see you guys next time. Let me know what you want to build, and we'll go from there. Maybe we'll make a potato gun.